In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reset Workspace in Notion. If your Notion app feels sluggish, won't sync properly, or is stuck showing outdated pages, a quick reset can clear out corrupted cache files and give you a clean slate without deleting anything from your online account. This process works the same on both Windows and Mac using the Notion desktop app. Start by opening Notion on your computer. At the top, look for the menu bar. On Mac, that's the system menu bar at the very top of the screen. On Windows, it's the menu at the top of the Notion window. Click Help to open the Help menu. From there, choose Troubleshooting. This section is designed for maintenance tasks, and it's where Notion keeps tools that can resolve common performance issues. Inside Troubleshooting, select Reset and erase all local data. When you choose this, Notion will prompt you to confirm. This is expected, and it's here to make sure you are intentionally clearing your device's local Notion data. Confirm the reset to proceed. What this does is remove local cache and temporary files stored on your computer. It does not delete any of your pages, databases, or shared spaces that live in Notion's cloud. Those remain safe on Notion servers linked to your account. After the reset completes, Notion will close or sign you out. The next step is simple: reopen Notion and sign back in. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the app can download fresh copies of your workspaces. If you use two-factor authentication, have your method ready so you can complete the sign in smoothly. Once you are back in, give Notion a bit of time to resync your content. Larger workspaces may take a moment to fully repopulate thumbnails, icons, and offline caches. That's normal. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you manage multiple workspaces under the same account, you'll see them again after signing in and can switch between them as usual. If you previously changed appearance or app preferences, you may want to revisit those settings after the reset. And if you were offline when you noticed issues, remember that any unsynced changes that never reach the cloud won't be recoverable, which is why it's always best to let Notion fully sync when you are connected. That's it. You've reset Notion's local data, reopened the app, and signed back in for a fresh, clean experience. Thanks for watching.